As you might have detected from my voice, I am not really interested in this one. This is not my style, at least. Hello, 10-year reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing bracelet off, please, thank you. Vegetable biryani with vegetable dumplings. Authentic Indian recipe. I reviewed several numerous curries, authentic Indian recipe curries before, or somewhat type of Indian food, which I enjoyed, most of them. Nutrition facts and ingredients: it contains cashew and wheat. Key instructions: do not allow product to defrost before using. Microwave and conventional oven. We're going to be using the microwave because although we did most of them with pan, we think this time will be a good microwave food because there's dumplings and vegetables and all that. So the price is $2.69. Let's open this package up. That's it, there's no rice. Perfect, the rice is inside. Let's heat this up because this is one thing. The rice is inside, everything, including all the rice, is inside this gigantic container. Let's go to the kitchen so we can heat it up now. I am back not even a half second later since I said the words. Let's go heat it up now. I think those are the words. So that's the dumpling. I really want to see what's inside the dumpling at least. Let's put one onto my plate, or at the top of my plate at least. Hot, hot, hot. That's a very soft dumpling of you. There, inside are beans, a small variety of rice. Neat. I want to taste the cashew first because that's the cashew. For some reason, I love nuts. Not allergic to any. It's very soft. It's not the taste that I expected it to be. Now, bean is very good. I was gonna say not bad. Let's try the pea. The bell peppers, I'm not gonna taste them. Let's go taste the dumpling. So I don't know why several of the curries that I have reviewed already, as you guys might have seen, as you might have detected from my voice, I am not really interested in this one. This is not my style, at least. Let's try the rice first, though. Nope. You guys did not see me shake my head. Well, this is not my style type of Indian food. My father will probably have to eat it, or I don't know. He's gonna taste it. Here, Dad. So my father as well did not like it as well. If my father and I both do not like it, then there is a very, very high percentage that my mother will also not like it. She is more of the sensitive type of food person, which means she likes a super duper small group of food that she likes, not big wide varieties like I do. My father's also a wide variety, but he's a bit small variety of me. So I'm the most varietiest person in my group. So that's not even a word anyway, but you know what I mean. So anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And meet me again on this brown Tim. See you again in my videos. Bye.